PayPal allows receiving money from over 200 countries in 25 currencies, ideal for freelancers, businesses, or personal transfers. A business account is recommended for commercial payments. Setup steps: log into PayPal, account settings, or wallet, manage currencies. Under payment preferences, uncheck block payments from users who have non-your country PayPal accounts to enable international receipts. Add supported currencies, wallet, PayPal balance, manage currencies, add desired ones, for example Euro, GBP, to hold without auto-conversion. Share your PayPal email or generate an invoice or payment link for senders. How senders pay you: senders log in, send money, enter your email, select goods and services, buyer protection, or friends and family. Funds appear in your balance instantly.